To add a new subsection in your two-column document, you can simply copy and paste an existing section. Let's say, for example, that you want to add another entry to your work experience. For that, select an existing entry and press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy it. Now, click at the end of your selection and press Enter to start a new line. Then, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the section you copied in the previous steps. In case your content looks different after pasting it, open the paste options and click on the button that says Keep Source Formatting. Now let's say that you only want to list 2 certifications, and therefore you want to have 2 smaller sections instead of 1 large certification section. In that case, delete the entries that you don't need anymore. Go to the Table Layout tab, click on Split Cells, and set the column number to 1 and the row number to 2. Afterwards, select the 2 sections you just created and set their height to 0 so that they automatically resize to fit the content. Finally, you can copy and paste content from any section you like so that the new section has the same layout.